How much is the Indomie? Sisemo. We don't need beef now, we have beef. Yam flour. Have a lot of stores, African food. It's on the ice. Sit tight, guys. I want to pick semolina. $14. I mean, this 1.8 kg. I think I'll just pick this one. It's actually $14.99. That's like $15. Anyhow, it's $15. Some days I really wanna vlog, and some days I don't intend to vlog. And this is one of the days I did not intend to vlog, and I ended up vlogging. Touring London, disturbing London. Oh, disturbing London. Stop now. It's been a minute since I did like an unboxing video, not really a minute, but I received this package from Shein not quite long, so I decided to do like an unboxing video with you guys, and we're going to see what the stuff that I got. I got quite a number of stuff that was delivered to me today, so we're going. Okay, so I got this baby safety ear muff, so in case like when we want to go out with the baby and it's a noisy area, she's going to use this and just protect her ears from noise and all that. So we went out recently and it was a noisy area and I couldn't use this because I hadn't gotten it in, so that's why I actually ordered this, just to protect our ears from noise. So it has foam inside, yes, so, and this is like rubber, so I think this should work. I know it will work, not it should work, I know it will work because that's what it's made for. I think I got this for, I'm not sure, I'm going to put the price on the screen so you guys can see in case you want to get something like this for your baby. I saw this shoe on, I can't wear it to church, so this is how it looks on my feet. I love it so much. Like, this is very nice and very comfortable. I would also leave the price of this on my screen in case you want. The next thing I got, because I got this for my baby when I just gave birth to her, and trust me, she is 3 months old now and they are all tight for her, like fitted tight. So I decided to get 6 to 12 months old, so it's 5 in 1. So I decided to get 6 to 12 months old for her. And guys, I love this so much, so cute. Yeah, so this will be free for her, and also got this for her, and it came in different colors. And because we'll be going out more often, so I decided to get this for her so she can have something to wear under a nice lovely dresses that I got for her, and also like her tops as well. Guys, in case you don't know, like, you can actually get very nice baby stuffs on Shein. This is not a sponsored ad, but if you are confused on where to buy baby clothing, check Shein, check Qatar's. You can also check Old Navy, H&M as well. I got this for our dedication. I tried checking other websites, but I wasn't really seeing something nice that I like. I bought 2 dresses that she's going to wear, one for the dedication. So this is 3 months, and this is how it looks, guys. So beautiful. I was thinking this dress would be thick because when I was checking it on Shein, it looked in the picture, but it's not so bad. It can work. It also has like a beret, but I think this might be a little bit big for her head, and it also has a belt. I'm going to show you guys the second dress that I got from Shein. And I also got some postpartum gado pants and gado from Shein to get back in shape. So this is one of the gado pants I got from Shein. Guys, I also got this shoe for this shoe is going to be big. It will be big, but we're going to make it work. So I got this shoe for her that she's going to wear to church for her dedication. I don't think it will be extremely big. It will still work anyways. I'm going to wear socks, so it's still going to work. This is just so cute. I intentionally got this color because the other dress is white, so most likely she might be wearing that dress because of the beret of this dress. I'm not sure if the beret is her size, then she's going to wear this one, but if not, she's going to wear the other one. So this shoe still goes with this dress. Where's the dress? I wear the shoe with this with this dress, right? Because this is Peach, this is Dusty Rose. I think she can actually, but to be on the safe side, I'll just go, wear the white dress for her. And I also got this cute slippers for my mom. I'll be wearing it to church for the dedication as well. And the slippers feel so nice. The leather is really nice as well, nice and soft. I got this as well for her, for grandma. If you know me, you know that myself and pouch were like 1 and 2. So I got this pouch from Shein. I have like 3 to 4 pouches already. So I don't have a black pouch. I got this black one with them, and it's very thick. Still on the I must get my weight back mark. So this is postpartum belt. This is looking big. I'm going to try this out and I'm gonna make it work. Let me know if you need link to any of this stuff, and I will share the link with you. Okay. Then this is another postpartum. This is another gado pant. Like operation this summer. The body must be banging. That's to enter summer with the banging body. I think this has like heated stuff going on here. I got this in large as well. Our body must bang. Like first size. When I'm on Shein, I just want to buy the things that I need all at once. So I don't like have to shop today, go back there to shop tomorrow. So this is the white dress I told you guys about. Oh, this is so cute, so cute, so quick. I think she's going to wear, not I think, she's going to wear this. So she's going to wear this and this, and then if I can get like a peach headband for her, then I think I'm good to go. I'm going to look for a peach headband. I have a few headband for her. I'll check if there is peach. But this is what she's going to wear for her dedication, and she's going to wear this again because she's wearing a lace, and this has like that lacy material. So yeah, just that my own lace is blue, but this is what she's going to wear. She's gonna wear this, she's gonna wear this, and then this looks so. So I got this bedside, what will I call it now, bedside clock. So I got this bedside LED clock, and because at times when I wake up in the midnight to feed, if I'm charging my watch, I always just want to know what the time. I think this should work fine, and also be like a sort of decoration to my side table. I'm going to set it up and you guys would see then this is the last thing that I bought from Shein. It's like a portable bedside. This is a portable lamp. I think I will love it. I'm just going to plug it and then show you guys the outcome. I also got a few things. I'm going to plug it and then I'll show you guys the outcome. So these are all the stuff that I got from Shein. Then I also bought 2 sneakers earlier in the year that I've not worn, so I'm just going to share that with you as well. I've unboxed it before, I've checked it fits me perfectly, but I'm going to show you guys what I got, the sneakers I got. Like whoa. Then I also got this from Shein. This was delivered separately. This is the one I'm going to wear for my baby's dedication, my child dedication. Tried it with the dress I'm wearing, and guys, I look like a rich aunt, giving rich auntie vibes on call. So this is what I'm going to be wearing. Very simple, and these are the stuffs that I got from Shein. Vans, sneakers. Guys, I've always wanted to own a Vans old school sneakers, and I love the fact that the color is different, like unique. It's peach, and just see this beauty. No, see this beauty, this beauty. So, and I got this New Balance sneakers. Guys, if you have small feet there, you don't know what God has done for you, because the bigger size of this was way more expensive. I was able to pass for the girls' sneakers and not the women's sneakers. So I got like at a very cheap price, and it was also on sales. I got both of them from Food Locker because they were on sales on their website. Look at this beauty, this beauty. Just see this beauty. It's New Balance, baby. So this will be all my unboxing with you guys. If I get any free gifts, because I'm not spending anymore. So if I get any free gifts, I will unbox with you guys, and if not, I'll see you in my next video.
Việt Nam nhé, Luna New Year.